The Crash Paint Solids Kit offers artists a safe way to dispose of acrylic solids in their paint water. Preventing solids from going down the drain is better for the environment and also a safer option for plumbing, pipes, and septic systems. Take solution 1 and loosen the left lid on the side with a small measuring reservoir. Squeeze the bottom of the bottle to measure 1 ounce of solution into the reservoir. Fully remove the lid and pour the measured amount into your wastewater. Then stir for 1 minute. After mixing solution 1 in thoroughly, repeat the same process with solution 2. Again, stir solution 2 into the wastewater for a minute, then allow the mixture to sit for 15 minutes to an hour. The paint solids will slowly accumulate and sink in the bucket, and the water on top will begin to clarify. While the mixture is separating, prepare for the next step by placing the colander into the large clear bucket. Then, gently wet and place the paper filter into the colander. Carefully pour the entire bucket of your treated wastewater into the paper filter. As the paint solids fill the bottom of the filter, it will take longer for the clean water to pass into the bucket. Complete filtering could take hours or even overnight. After the filtering is complete, dispose of the filter containing the paint solids with other household trash. The clear water can be safely poured down the drain. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and please contact us with any questions you have by sending an email to help@goldenpaints.com.